Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday, yes. It's another live handover with Sigma Homes. It's another project finished on schedule. Behind us, Sigma Homes carried out a major renovation. This home is really getting ripped apart, stripped back to day one. On the outside, we're doing external insulation. So that's like a big, warm, cozy jacket that secures your home. We've all new windows and doors. Inside, we've got a new air-to-water heating system, and all electrics are new. And today, this path leads us to this new home, to the very front of this home, and what a clever design. We've got a boot room. In here, you can hang up all your jackets, but the key thing, you don't want to be looking at them. And this door closes that off perfectly. This new location for our dining and kitchen fits into this space really well. We've got this gorgeous island with a connection to the outside, but one of our main features in this room is we've got this big sliding door that connects us to the main garden. Overhead, check out, we've got these big vaulted ceilings that give us all this space. It's the transition from this beautiful herringbone floor to this luxury style carpet that gives this room the X factor. Behind us, we've got our TV unit. Underneath, we've got this beautiful warm electric fire. At each side, we've got big display areas. And underneath, all the storage you could need. This room has been designed as a quiet room when you want to get away from it all. The materials, we've got this gorgeous headboard, we've got this bench bed, underneath loads of storage. Overhead, we've got that touch screen, and you can choose all the lighting to suit your mood. This is the main bathroom downstairs, and the colouring, the wallpaper and the materials are really stunning. It's located just off the hallway, which is a perfect position. The original kitchen used to be right in here. Now it's used as an everyday living room. But most importantly, this door leads us into 3 additional rooms. Right here, we've got an additional bathroom and a luxury style finish. To my left, we've got this glazed door that connects us in to a big utility room. And on my right, we've got a guest bedroom. In this bedroom, and I really love that ceiling light, and behind that door, we've got our ensuite here. We've a gorgeous vanity unit that picks up that tile perfectly. In this master bedroom, here behind this door, we've got our walk-in wardrobe, but we've got a bonus feature. It's got its own ensuite. This is a customed shower door, but look at the textures and finish of that tile. This wardrobe has so many features. Overhead, for those high items, you pull it down, you unhook, and very simply, it pops back up. Underneath, we've got the perfect shoe rack. And not only have you got one, but you've also got a second one. Behind this door, you know when you need a mirror? Well, this slides away perfectly. And one simple little click, and everything goes back. This is room number 4, and right behind it, we've got our main bathroom for upstairs. The beautiful green, and I love that white grout. It pops out that herring style effect. This home had all the space a family needed. It just took a major remodel, a redesign to bring it all together. Well done to all the team. It's another project finished on schedule.